What's up guys, Cars Across Texas today, and today you join me here at a Speed Advocates meet, one that we actually haven't been to out here in Katy at a Boomerjacks location. I finally didn't get caught up late at work on a Tuesday for one of these, so we're able to make it out, and there's a ton of cool cars here. So without further ado, let's get jumping right into things. But first and foremost, remember, if you're looking for a vehicle, new, Chevrolet, or pre-owned anything, I can get it for you. I'm the car plug in Houston right now. Shoot me a DM, email me, to put them both on screen here. Let's get a dream put in your driveway. And also, I am hosting a car meet here at the end of the month. I'll put the flyer on screen here for you guys. So hope to see you there, and let's hop right into the show. So it's kind of laid out in a line down the way here. First and foremost, we got a nice little Fitchin starting up over there, chopping up a storm. There we go. But then we got this very, very clean C8. What's up, brother? How you doing? We got this really clean C8 here on some nice wheels. Looks like some Boston's. Very clean, red on red. We got this C6 here, and I don't know if it's a carbon wrap or a carbon... Yeah, it's carbon wrap on the front half with a big old aggressive cowl hood on it. Looking insane. We got the S2000 drop top looking very clean. Just lowered. I think he's just lowered. I don't know if there's anything... Oh, he's got a Corvo in it as well. That boy is low. But then we got this Camaro, and this thing is what's been catching my attention straight off the rip, because this thing is red, white, and blue. God bless America. Yeehaw cowboy. Cue the bald eagles. Incredible. Looks like it's got a bunch of different parts from different cars. Some black with white stripe front end-ish stuff there. White fenders, red doors, dark blue rear end and roof. Looks like it's kind of a Frankenstein of maybe a few Camaros put together. But what's under the hood is what I'm most concerned with, I guess. Concerned, probably not the right word, but we got the modern LS swap. Single turbo looking good there. This thing is insane. There you go, CT5E Blackwing. And we got a car I haven't seen in a long time in the twin turbo CTSV, Mr. Justin White. But either way, the single turbo Camaro is insane here. You got that one fender exit there. I don't know why I kept thinking I saw another turbo down there, but I didn't. But this thing is sick. There we go, he's rolling back again. We got the M6 here. Nice little classic Impala SS looking good. We got a blue SS 4-door with the aggressive cowl hood on it. Keep on going down the line. Little supersonic blue C6 action along with an R8 V10. Looking sharp. It seems like there's quite a few F-body type vehicles around here, including this little Firehawk Trans Am. To break it up a little bit, we got a 392 Challenger, but continuing the F-body theme, we got this very, very clean Trans Am here, a little Firehawk type deal going on, looking good. And we got a couple more cool little things here in Pontiac. Then we got the continuous of the F bodies with this drop top F body and this super clean Z28. But then we got the twin turbo Cadillac CTSV sounding absolutely freaking insane. I didn't even think they lived here anymore. Ain't seen them out in a long time. Damn, son. We got another, dude, F-bodies out in freaking numbers. This is like the F-bodies of Houston or something? Seems like we've got a boosted F-body here. Oh, he got that big money dash in there. God dog, brother. Woo-wee. Got a little DSM love here. Looking good, very nice. And you got the Lightning with the light to shine on the supercharged V8. Then we got this absolutely gangster big body old Chevy truck. Looks like he's got a big block under here. There we go. Got a hell of a lot of tire back here. There you go. Incredible. All right, we got that turbo F body that just rolled in. Hood popped. And let's shine my little light here, my little flashlight if it wants to work. That is a pretty engine bay right there, my friends. Got a good sized turbo, LS, all nice and clean. God, no. Woo. That plate's funny. Dang, brother. Oh, it's Harambe flipping me off. We gotta show off the Viper. Can't skip the Vipers here, my friends. Looks like we got a little Gen 4 with a crazy carbon wing on the back. but so clean in this color. I love it. And of course we got like a Gen 2 Camaro, it seems. I forget the generations and whatnot, but this thing is very clean. A little naturally aspirated setup here. We got the old Bel Air type right here, looking good. Another square body Chevy on some nice wheels. And then round off the gang over here, we got a couple very nice vets, including this Le Mans Blue C6Z. I love this color, I really do. Actually, I love both of these colors because an Inferno Orange Grand Sport, boys. I think one of my all-time bucket list cars would be an Inferno Orange ZR1, but I'll take a Grand Sport too. Then we got the supercharged C5 Z06 here, looking good. Got that A&A blower right there. This thing, we've heard him before, we've seen him before. Sounds absolutely freaking insane. But then, let's go back here a little bit, because there's no shortage of Mustangs. There's a lot of them out here right now, including this very clean blacked out S650 who's been in videos before. And we got the white and blue GT350 looking good. And we got like the holographic color flip type S650 here. I don't know if my camera's doing this much justice because this thing looks insane. Then we keep on going down the line, a little purple S550. Very clean indeed. And then a Mach 1. Love Mach 1s. Keep on going down the line, we got a supercharged S550 with a wing out back. There we go, what is this, an ESS blower? Sure is, my friends. And then we got what appears to be a turbo S550 here. You got stock wheels up front, drag pack in the back, no hood gang, showing off that twin turbo setup, tucked nice and neatly right in there. Keep on going down the line, two bikes breaking up the Mustang gang. We got another S650 here to round off all the Mustangs. But we picked back right up with a Jazz Blue, I think this color is called. Challenger's cat pack. Very nice. Then over here we got a clean GTR. There we go. And then over here the C5 with an insane turbo setup. This is freaking crazy. Sheesh. But I'm telling you boys, some CCWs on any car from like 1998 to 2004 gets a thumbs up from Drew. Huh? I guess in the like darkness, like I didn't realize this was a color flip Mustang. Just looked purple on that one side. But as we walk around, there you go. I ain't never seen a bigger crowd around a Honda Insight. It's crazy. How much cam you on your car? Yes! I like this Camaro though. This thing is sweet. Got some boys rolling on up, including this very nice Supra. For the streets! Incredible. And then we got a C6 of some sort. Which one are you, my friend? Oh, yes. So nice. Got a little Type R rolling out, it seems. GTR is going out that way. I can't believe there was like a crowd of people around this Honda like Insight thing all night. So funny. Got a little S650 rolling out, it seems. I'm kidding. That'd be funny. Get a few boys rolling out this way. I didn't even know there was an exit that way. Got a C6. And a GTI. Oh, you about to do it? Oh, almost. We got an S2000 rolling out as well. There we go. Thing is very clean. Holy shit, brother's crazy. Oh my God, he's gonna die. What the hell? I feel like I used to be in videos a long time ago. I'll put a clip up here from an older time. What? Oh my God! Yes, sir! That's a man right there! Ah, yes, the very clean Gen 2 Camaro. But he's going that way! Why, brother? No! God, dog. Oh, it's that boy. And another very clean C6 ZR1 pulling up. Oh, this guy is. Because he's my friend. Just kidding, don't know this guy, but appreciate you. Holy shit, brother. Not a part of the car show, but just pulling up, speeding. What's that boy gonna do? We got a 392 powered Challenger rolling out. Here comes the F-body Trans Am. There we go. Another very clean F-body Trans Am rolling out. I didn't even hear that guy drive up behind me. That was crazy quiet. Got a few more cars about to roll out. I think I heard a CTSV start up over there. For now, we got this Mustang. ZR1 is so clean, dude. Got the F-body rolling out. ZR1 down there. Little single cab Mamelona cut. So clean. The F-body are about to roll out as well. I think it's very clean. Oh, that is an ISF. What's up, brother? Very nice. Got a C6 Z06 rolling out over here. Hell yeah, brother. Some stuff about to roll out, it seems. Oh no, why are you going that way? Here we go, we got some stuff rolling out. Supercharged C5Z. Please come this way. I'll be very sad if you don't. You better come this way. You damn right, brother. Hell yeah. Listen to this thing. This is probably the last couple cars that I'm gonna get, then I'm gonna go on to the next meet that I'm gonna be very, very late to. Get the very clean C6 ZR1. Oh, little spark in there. We got the ISF. What's up? Yes, sir. You as well, brother. Alrighty, boys, let's that's gonna be it for today's video here at Boomerjacks for the Speed Advocates car meet. There's a few cars left, but it's like an hour past the meet's done, and they're still here. So I gotta get to another meet. I'm trying to get 2 videos out, or recorded today. This second meet, I'm beginning to think I might not be able to get a video here at this next meet. But either way, we got a banger here. There's plenty of sick cars. Oh man, the Turbo C5 is rolling out now, god damn it. We got the insane Turbo C5 rolling out. This thing is wild. Damn, son. Alrighty, now officially we are on the way out of here. I gotta get going to this next meet to try to get another video for you boys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. There's a lot of sick builds, some new stuff that I haven't been able to see on the channel. Of course, more cars are coming. I can't leave. Now boys, for real, I'm leaving this time. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. It was a banger, lots of sick builds, lots of new builds for the channel, some stuff we haven't seen before, and I really like to get some new stuff. But on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Leave me some likes, share with the boys, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.